up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this beautiful, voluminous 90s blowout routine and just look at the results. I am obsessed. I'm gonna mention every detail from pre से लेके post care. Everything is in this video. If you want to know how I achieved this, then definitely keep on watching till the end and let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Just got out of the shower. My hair is nicely shampooed and conditioned. So the first step I'm gonna do is add in some leave-in conditioner. This one is by L'Oreal. It's their Hydra Filling Night Cream. I love to use this on my curly hair as well as when I'm blow drying my hair straight. It really adds that moisture that your hair needs. So I'm gonna take a good amount and massage it in my hair, especially working the ends. I'm not gonna apply it to the roots. As you can clearly see, just ऊपर से मैं touch कर रही हूँ, but I'm not applying this on the roots. Concentrate it mainly near the lens of your hair. Okay, this looks good. Next step is gonna be a heat protection. Very important when you're applying any type of heat to your hair, even if you're just blow drying your hair. Apply some heat protection. This one is by BBlunt. It's their Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. It's really good. I've been using it for quite some while now and I genuinely like it. बहुत अच्छा heat protection देता है. So I'm gonna make sure to cover all of my hair, especially the lens. As you clearly saw, I've applied a good amount of heat protection, which is very important. Make sure करना आप अच्छे से सारे बाल को heat protection से coat कर रहे हो. Next, I'm gonna apply a little bit of a bonding oil as well. This one is by Olaplex. Is their number 7 bonding oil. This also has a little bit of heat protection and I'm gonna concentrate it mainly at the ends. This is a little expensive, so if you want an alternative, I would suggest this one. This one is by L'Oreal. It's the Extraordinary Oil Serum. Does the exact same thing, but yeah, this is like a liquid gold. It's very expensive because it's by Olaplex and it does a really good job, but this is almost exactly the same, so you can choose. But today I'm going to be using this one. You can use this before as well as after, just a very tiny amount. Blow dry करने से पहले बालों को prep करना उतना ही ज़्यादा important होता है if you want to make sure that your hair last and the blow dry stays for a longer time. And with that, the prep is complete. Now let's get started with the blow dry, and for that I'll be using my Dyson Airwrap. I have all the attachments and this works really good, so I'll be using my Dyson Airwrap, but this is kind of expensive. So in case if you want an alternative, a really good one, I'll pop the picture over here. It's a blow drying brush by Agaro. बहुत ही अच्छा है. मेरे पास यहाँ पर है नहीं because I've gifted it to my mom, so that's the reason I don't have it over here, but I've used it and it's really good, worth your money, so you can get that if you want. Or else if you have a blow dryer, that will work as well. Just use your blow dryer with a big round brush. उसके भी links मैं description में दे दूंगी. This is the first attachment I'm gonna use. ये से blow dry करता है and थोड़ा straight कर देता है बाल, just getting rid of the curl pattern that I have already and काफी wet है मेरे बाल, so it's gonna blow dry and straighten it at the same time. And settings मैंने दोनों भी high रखे हैं, the heat level as well as the airflow, both of them are at the highest setting. It's only been a minute and it has already dried my hair, but यहाँ पर काफी wet है मेरे बाल, तो I'm gonna use just the blow dry part and dry it out a little. There are a few reasons why I like Dyson Airwrap over other appliances that are available in the market. The first one being, अगर ये लोग 200 या फिर 230 डिग्री बोल रहे हैं heat, that's exactly what they're delivering. Majority of the time you face a lot of heat damages because जो cheap appliances होते हैं वो काफी ज़्यादा heat up होते हैं and they say 200 degrees, but it's usually more than that, and that's the reason a lot of heat damage happens as well. The second thing is this gets the work done so freaking fast. I mean उसके पैसे दे रहे हो आप, the power in this is really high, तो blow dry तो ऐसे हो जाता है इसमें, so काफी time भी save हो जाता है. And third and the most important thing that I love about Dyson is इसमें सबसे कम heat damage होते हैं मेरे बालों को, and you can clearly see it when you wash it off. It's not extremely frizzy and dried and damaged at the ends. Okay, this looks good. Now that my hair is like 80-90% dry, now I'm gonna use this attachment and blow dry it even more and just straighten it out. This is what I like about this attachment. It combs, it blow dries, and it kind of straightens it out as well a little. Wow, this is what that attachment does. I absolutely love it. It just gives a really good starting point. It's not extremely straight, but it has done the job like 60 to 70%. It has gotten all my curls out and just straighten it out a little. I'm gonna repeat the same on this end as well. Another thing that I like about Dyson is आप कितना भी close लेके जाओ इसे आपको चटका नहीं लगने वाला है. It's just really hot air blowing, but it's not that hot कि आपको चटका लगेगा, and it's not that hot कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा burn भी होगा. So wow, this took me like what, 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side, and these are the results. I really like to get in and make sure all my hair is dry and it's straightened out, something like that. But still the roots are not that straight the way I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead with another attachment and work basically on the root area, just like 2 inches near the root area, and work on that section. But if I really don't want to get that perfect blow dry, but I just want something straight, something like this, then I would just stop right over here. So I'm just gonna change this attachment, and I'm gonna go ahead with a round brush, something like this, and concentrate near the roots. And for this, I'm definitely gonna section it. Ball attachment doesn't do a really good job at the root section, so for that, we need this one. This took me another 5 minutes because I was just concentrating on the roots area, and yeah, it's looking much better. Again, if I just wanted straight hair, I would stop over here. But we're gonna add a little bit of wave as well to this to just get that voluminous blowout. I just want a little bit of wave going on over here to get that voluminous 90s blowout. And for that, the last thing we're gonna do is switch this with a 2-inch barrel right over here. Pack it in. Now this one, I just have to do this and this. यहाँ पर उसका direction लिखा हुआ है. So I just have to switch this to change the direction of the airflow, and that's it. I don't have to change the barrel. That's what I love about this. Yeah, let's get started. Of course, we need to work in sections, but जो भी है, leaving the top section right over here, rest all the down a back section and the front, everything I'm gonna curl it towards my face, and just the front section I'm gonna curl it away from my face. Okay, I have 2 sections right over here. Okay, so this section will be towards my face. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna move on to the next. Smooth out the section that you have taken. Make sure it's not more than 2-inch section, and hold it till like the 3/4 area right over here. Turn on your Dyson, and I like to work towards the end first, like smooth it out, make sure that it's nice and curled, and then I like to slowly go upwards and then hold there for like 10 seconds. After that, I like to switch to the cold shot area and then hold that for another 10 seconds and then leave, and look at that beautiful curl. Wow, do not touch or rake through those curls. Next, I'm gonna use these rollers and roll them in. your hair, I'm gonna hit it with a whole spray. This will make sure that the curl will last longer. I'm gonna be using the BBlunt Hot Shot Hold Spray. This one definitely gives a good amount of hold without making it feel crunchy. I absolutely hate that. This one definitely took a lot of time because of the rollers. I was using them for the first time and I feel like कम हो गया है मेरे बालों के लिए. I will need at least 2 sets of those, but I'm trying to make do with whatever I have. As I said before, I'm trying it out for the first time, so we'll see the results together. For now, I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna do my makeup, eat some food, and I'll be back. Hi, I'm back. It's been almost an hour now. I did a little bit of makeup, just prepping for the next video that I'm going to be shooting. So we quickly nikalte hain. Let's see what the results are. It's, as I said, it's been almost an hour since these are in. Wow. Okay, these work. I'm 100% going to get another set of these, and once I do it properly, it's gonna look so good. I love the results. I love the way it's looking. Let's try parting it this way. Okay, now that we know how this looks, which I'm very happy about, I'm just gonna finish it up with some oil, and for that I'll be using the Olaplex bonding oil again, just to give it a little bit of touch up. Again, if you don't have this, you can also use this. This is very similar to this one. This is by L'Oreal. So I'm gonna use this today. This much. It's definitely worth the money. It's a little dicey on how it's gonna look, but I'm very happy. I feel the more I get used to this with the rollers, the results are going to be so much better, and I definitely need to purchase another set of that. When you curl it inside, all the frizz and all the layers just go in this way and it just hides all the flyaway. Also, the layers at the side are looking so good. My color is looking so good. Yeah, this is the final result. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैं description में दे दूंगी. And I feel it's good for a change. I style my hair curly 90% of the time, but once in a while, this is what I like to do when I'm craving for that straight, voluminous blowout, and I absolutely love it. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.